Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World. In this video, we will see how to create Fibonacci series using Python. So before we start coding to create Fibonacci series, I'll tell you what is Fibonacci series. Actually, Fibonacci series is a number that comes after it is subsequent two numbers, means sum of last two numbers. For example, there is a 0, 1, then the next number will be 0 plus 1 equal 1, and the next one is 1 plus 1 equal 2, and the next one is 2. Last two number is 2 and 1. So next is 3. Like same like last two number like 3, 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 means 5, and same way like last two number 5 plus 3 means 8. So on. So this is Fibonacci series. So now let's start coding. So first we will create a function in Python. So we will define function our function like function name. We will name function Fibonacci and we pass parameter like n. So we will create a Fibonacci series for n number, any for any number. So we have defined our function. Now we'll code. Actually, as I have already told you that so there is a 0 one already defined, so we will define our first num uh, as 0 and take another variable as second num as 1. So these two number will always be defined. So we will always start from second, means 0, 1 and second. So here we will print first number, first num, and print second num. So we will print it in this. Now we'll loop through. Now we will loop through to create our Fibonacci series. So for example, our variable in range, we will use range function, and we have already first num and second num, so we'll start from second. So and from to n number. So here our loop run from second to n number. N number from here we will pass through parameter. Now we will implement our logic. So the Fibonacci series is sum of last two numbers. So last two number will be first num and second num. So here we will define our variable sum, and we will assign sum to first num plus second num. Now the second will become first number. So first num equal second num, and second num assign sum, and finally we print sum to create our series. So now we have implemented logic to create our series. So how it will work? First, we will define a pass parameter n number our n number, and then first num is 0, second num 1, and then we'll range from second to n. First num plus second num equals sum, and first num will inherit second num, and second num has sum. So now our finally we will display sum, and now we will call our function Fibonacci and pass. We have passed here number 10, and now we'll run our program. So here is our Fibonacci series created. Let's see 0 1, as we have already defined first num and second num and printer. So 0 1 is printed from here, And now in our for loop, we have loop from n to n number. So here is 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on. So here is our uh, Fibonacci series generated with Python code. So guys, that's it. So you have seen how we have created very simple code, and very easily we have created a Fibonacci series. So you can try this at your end. So guys, like and share this video. Also do subscribe our channel. Thank you.